Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nandini and today we are going to transform and decorate this wall. If you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button, and if you are already subscribed, thank you for coming back to my channel. Before starting this, मैं आपको बता दूँ यहाँ पर बहुत सारा कचरा पड़ा है, तो ये सब हमको साफ करना पड़ेगा. Yeah, let's start.
God willing, I never got feelings. She hit me up, but I never stopped chillin'. I'm on flowers, but I'm not Scott Pilgrim. I stopped dealing when they stopped killing Krillin. I did a line, it been hard in a minute. I just be looking for the line to finish. I say I didn't when you know that I did it. So a loser, even shitty when I win it. Suck my dick, but she bit it. Always looking for a snitch like Quidditch. I can't wait until I'm rich like Simmons. Fuck your boy up cause we don't hit women. I shake a lot, I shake a lot. She give me top and give me something I can nibble off. I sip a lot, I sniff a lot of different dots. Tip a lot, like more me be living off. I'm up with you, I'm a hopscotch with you. I'm a lot with you, I'm a top dog with you. I'm a boat with you, I'm a no talk with you. Shoot the cops with you, then I'm mob with you. God willing, I never got feelings. She hit me up, but I never stopped chillin'. I'm on flowers, but I'm not Scott Pilgrim. I stopped dealing when they stopped killing Krillin. I did a line, it been hard in a minute. I just be looking for the line to finish. I say I didn't when you know that I did it. So a loser, even shitty when I win it. Suck my dick, but she bit it. Always looking for a snitch like Quidditch. I can't wait until I'm rich like Simmons. Fuck your boy up cause we don't hit women. I shake a lot, I shake a lot. She give me top and give me something I can nibble off. I sip a lot, I sniff a lot of different dots. Tip a lot, like more me be living off. I'm up with you, I'm a hopscotch with you. I'm a lot with you, I'm a top dog with you. I'm a boat with you, I'm a no talk with you. Shoot the cops with you, then I'm mob with you. God willing, I never got feelings. She hit me up, but I never stopped chillin'. I'm on flowers, but I'm not Scott Pilgrim. I stopped dealing when they stopped killing Krillin. I did a line, it been hard in a minute. I just be looking for the line to finish. I say I didn't when you know that I did it. So a loser, even shitty when I win it. Suck my dick, but she bit it. Always looking for a snitch like Quidditch. I can't wait until I'm rich like Simmons. Fuck your boy up cause we don't hit women. I shake a lot, I shake a lot. She give me top and give me something I can nibble off. I sip a lot, I sniff a lot of different dots. Tip a lot, like more me be living off. I'm up with you, I'm a hopscotch with you. I'm a lot with you, I'm a top dog with you. I'm a boat with you, I'm a no talk with you. Shoot the cops with you, then I'm mob with you.
So this is the final look of my wall, guys. You can do anything. You can put dream catchers. They are very trendy nowadays, and I like simple like this. I don't want to do much over it. If you want, you can do it. There are different kinds of prints you can do it over, but it needs really precision, which I don't have. इतना प्रिसिशन नहीं है मेरे पास, एंड इतना पेशेंस भी नहीं है कि मैं हर एक प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस पे वो सब करूँ. इट्स टू मच फॉर मी. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ यू really like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. I really hope you like my video so far. Thank you. Come back to my channel. I will post randomly throughout the week, and yeah, thank you. Grateful for all of you.